Precious Nwakacha, Abubakar Sadiq, and Dorothy Yohana were 300-level students of Greenfield University who did not live to complete their studies. They were among the unspecified number of students abducted on Thursday, 22nd of April from the school premises, but barely 24 hours after their abduction, their bodies were found lifeless around the school premises. The sad tale of their death raises concern of the Safe School initiative, as the ambition of becoming graduates had been short-lived. Their parents could only imagine the scenario that played out before life was snuffed out of them.
If I look at the way she was murdered, I saw that they shot her in the chest, which means that she was faced with the person. And I could imagine what she would be saying to that person: please don't kill me.
God designed that Abubakar Sadiq would not pass Friday afternoon. Unfortunately, it's just the process or the scenario that occurred or led to his demise.
Simon Nwakacha is the proprietor of the institution. His niece, Precious Nwakacha, was also a victim of the unfortunate incident. His case is that of double tragedy.
He was doing very well, that he was heading towards a first class. The case of some evil one terminating the ambition of young ones.
It's a double tragedy. No one would want to invest his resources and be devilled with this kind of experience you have.
Despite the tragic incidents, the parents of the deceased are praying for the freedom of others in captivity.
Those ones that are in their hands, I pray that they should come out.
It needs collective efforts to join hands with the government to come to the end of this.
The Kaduna State government said it is working to address the security situation of the state, but reiterates its position not to negotiate with the bandits.